up everyone, I'm Jacky YBT. Tag away, tag everything. And today is a different video and it's first time for me doing the watch review. And this is my watch, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So here it is guys, this is the box of the Seiko SNKL77K1. Why I want to make this review is because there's not many YouTube video about this watch. In fact, I can't find even one talking about this watch, and I feel that it's a pity because this watch is really beautiful and I will show you right now. For your information, this is my first automatic watch and it's a Seiko. I'm very honored to own this product. Yeah, so this is the box. Open, comes, so this box is inside this box inception. Okay, so inside you get some sponge to protect the box, and you will get this one, the worldwide guarantee and instruction guide. So if your Seiko is a genuine product, they will give you this one. Yeah, it will provide you a year of international warranty. So this is the card, Seiko guarantee card. Yep. So I'm gonna put it back. So if you have any problems with the watch itself, you can take it to your nearby authorized seller, Seiko one or any third party, you know, as long as they're selling Seiko. Yeah. So this is the Seiko watch. I really enjoy this watch. I've been wearing for three weeks, I think 2 to 3 weeks. I got it very recently. Got it on Lazada at very cheap price. Really got it for 301 ringgit. That's really cheap for an automatic watch, and this is a genuine one. Because of discount, a 15 ringgit discount and so on, so I got it the price very cheap. So I adjusted the bracelet for myself. It's really kind of tough for me, you know, very hard to push in and so on. But it's better for you to DIY if you don't want to spend extra money to take it to the watch shop and ask for people to help you to do it. So this is the product tag, SNKL77K1. K1 stands for bracelet, and also stand for the case. The case itself is made in Malaysia, but the movement itself is made in Japan. 7S26, that's the movement, and water resistant, 30 meters. So this is the start of the show, and look at the dial, it's so beautiful. I really like the dial, the design, and by the way, the box itself is quite sturdy. Good packaging, good box. It's not those cheap one. You know, definitely can keep it. Very good looking case. Yeah. Okay, enough that. This is 38 millimeters for the case diameter. The bracelet's watch lug would be 18 millimeters. The thickness itself 10.5 millimeters. Pretty thin for an automatic watch. The best thing about this watch is you can see at the back, you can see the movement, you know, so beautiful. It's ticking, you know. I really like this one. This is one of the feature, you can call it feature if you want. I like the most about it. You can see at the back. This is an automatic watch like I mentioned earlier. So you cannot wind, you cannot do the hacking. You only can shake it for the watch to run. It has a power reserve of 41 hours, 21 joules. This is the Seiko 5 series, which is the entry level of automatic watch for Seiko. I mean, this watch is really worth the price, 301 ringgit. I got it for this price. The attention to the detail is really good. Look at the dial. This one is a gold, white gold and silver. The case is stainless steel. You can see the polish, stainless steel all around. See? Very nice. This one is brush. So the side is brush. The top and bottom is very polished stainless steel. And this is the thing. I was saying, you put your thumb here and then you activate, you just drag it out. Usually you have to grow a fingernails in order to adjust the date, the time. It's pretty hard to take out. You know, I spent a few minutes trying to take out this, and I think this one is a bit small. You know, for my big thumb, it's very hard to drag it out. So first drag will be adjusting the date. The second time, you will be adjusting the minutes, the hours. Yeah. So keep in mind, when you pull out the crown, don't contact with any waters, you know. The waters will go into the watch. So remember to push it back before contact any waters. That's the tip for you guys. Talk about the bracelet. The bracelet feels cheap. Like you can hear the sound. It feels very cheap. It's very hard to take out and adjust it. I spent like almost 1 hour trying to take out. It's very tough. Yeah, I think Seiko must find a way to cut costs. Unfortunately, it's the bracelets. You can change it if you want to. You just push out the side and then you take out the bracelet. And then you can change it to a leather band or a nylon, whatever you want. 80mm. Yeah, not very sturdy, not very solid. It weighs 100 grams. It's very light compared to my monster Casio G-Shock. That one is like 150 to 100 grams. It's very heavy and 50 mm. That's why. So this one, like I said earlier, is water resistant, 30 meters. You can take it to wash your hands or maybe some heavy rain, but don't take it to shower. I heard it, some people take it to shower and they say it's okay, but it's not recommended. You know, don't take it to swimming unless this one is a 50 meters water resistant. This one only 30. And using the hard wax glass. With this price range, you're expected to get a hard wax glass instead of sapphire. Sapphire is pretty tough, the second toughest material in the world. That one usually like 500-600 and above ringgit in order to get the sapphire glass. So hard wax is not that bad. Also, it's quite scratch resistant. The toughness is between mineral glass and the sapphire glass, so in the middle, not bad. And it also comes with the luminescence around. I really like the luminescence here. Not sure you guys can see or not. Okay, somewhere around. So the top, the 12 o'clock position is a bit bigger, so you can differentiate easily, like which is the 12. If you look closely, you can see the dial is 3D kind of feel, you know, at the side. It's not flush to the dial face. 3D. Attention to the detail is really nice. Logo itself has the same treatment, 3D. So there are a few color options for this watch face. There's a one with black and gold and one with fully silver with white face. Actually, it's not white. My camera like make it looks like white. Actually, it's a bit cream kind of color, you know, slightly cream. And one with fully gold, like all gold, and this one cream face with gold dial and the crown here. It creates two-tone, you know, very classy, suitable for dressing, you know, dressing yourself in formal wear. So when the light shine through, you can see the texture there, like blasting through here, there, and here. You can see like a Zen book, you know. If you know what's the Zen book, the Asus one, the back of the Zen book, it got the similar texture like the aluminum shining texture. And let's talk about the movement itself. 7S26 movement made by Seiko. It's their entry-level movement for the Seiko 5 lineup. It's pretty reliable and its accuracy is not that bad because they've been using this movement since 1996 until now, so it's pretty good. It's not that bad. The accuracy is around plus minus 20 seconds per day. For this price, it's really worth it. If you want to buy your first automatic watch, I recommend Seiko. Price is cheap, affordable, and the quality is on par. So this is my wrist. Let me show you. So as you can see, my wrist is around 6.5 inches and fits perfectly well. 38mm is very classic. Overall, I recommend you guys to buy this, to check it out. I'll put down the link where you can check the price for Malaysia audience here and get this for a pretty cheap price. And see, there's a good amount of polished stainless steel around the watch, and the bracelet. It's good to look, but it attracts the fingerprint very easily. I prefer brushed stainless steel, this is my opinion, but you have to admit it's very nice to look at it. It's very shiny, very luxury. It gives you the luxury feel of a watch. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. This is the first time I'm doing review about a watch, and if I say something wrong, miss out any information, just let me know in the comment down below. And remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, share it to friends, your friends and family. You know what to do. I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.